In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView background color. This quick adjustment can make your charts easier on the eyes, improve contrast for your candles and indicators, and help you trade comfortably in different lighting conditions. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so your chart stays clear and readable. Start by moving your cursor over the chart area itself, not on a toolbar or an indicator. Right-click anywhere on the empty part of the chart to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger tap works the same. On some devices, a press and hold can also bring up the menu. If you don't see it, try right-clicking on a clean space away from drawings or panels so the chart menu appears. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, where most visual preferences live. You'll see a sidebar with categories. We're going to the place where background and canvas options are grouped. Click on Canvas in the sidebar. Depending on your interface theme, this tab may sit near the top with the other chart styling sections. Canvas is where TradingView keeps the options for the chart's surface, including the background and grid. Once you're there, look for the Background section. You'll see a small color square showing your current background. Click the current background color. That opens the color picker. You'll get a palette of swatches, plus controls to fine-tune hue and brightness. Many pickers also include an opacity or transparency slider. Lowering opacity can subtly blend your background with grid lines for a softer look. As you interact with the picker, the chart updates in real time so you can judge readability before you commit. Now select the color you like. For night sessions, a dark gray often reduces glare while keeping candles crisp. For bright rooms, a soft off-white or very light gray can be easier than pure white. Aim for enough contrast that price bars, grid lines, and text remain clear. If you use a custom brand color, you can paste its hex code into the picker to match exactly. Take a moment to check your indicators against the new background. If something looks washed out, choose a slightly darker or lighter shade. When you're happy, simply close the settings window. Your chart will keep the new background automatically. That's it. You've changed the TradingView background color quickly and cleanly, and your chart is now tuned to your eyes and environment. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.